Welcome back everyone to my channel Invisible Tides. Today we are diving into a crucial topic that impacts all aspects of our life, the importance of financial management. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or even a retiree, understanding and practicing effective financial management is essential for a secure and prosperous future. Before we dive deeper, let's clarify what financial management actually means. In simple terms, it's the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling your financial resources to achieve your goals and objectives. It involves making informed decisions about spending, saving, investing, and budgeting. So, why is financial management so important? Well, there are several key benefits that highlight its significance. Let's look into that. Goal achievement. Effective financial management helps you define and achieve your short term and long term goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or funding your children's education. Next is financial security. Properly managed finances act as a safety net during unexpected emergencies, providing you with the peace of mind and stability you need. Next is the debt management. Good financial practices can help you avoid falling into debt traps and manage existing debts more effectively. Next is savings and investments. By understanding how to save and invest wisely, you can grow your wealth over time and achieve financial independence. The last, not the least, is the retirement planning. Planning for your retirement early on ensures that you will have a comfortable and worry free retirement phase. Now that we know why financial management is important, let's discuss some practical tips to get started. Budgeting. Create a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify the areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your goals. Emergency fund. Set up an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This safety net will provide a cushion during unforeseen circumstances. Next is debt repayment. Prioritize paying off high interest debts first. Adopting a systematic debt replacement strategy can help you become debt free sooner. We will discuss more about this in the coming videos. Smart spending. Differentiate between needs and wants. Make informed purchasing decisions and avoid impulsive buying. Maybe you have to practice this with the kids. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about investment options such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. The last is the retirement planning. Contribute to retirement accounts and take advantage of employer matching programs. And there you have it, the undeniable importance of financial management. By taking control of your finances today, you are securing a brighter and more prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, it's never too late to start managing your finances wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.